Hello, I'm Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the Library, we will be kicking off our spring session with Meowth. So you have your little coloring page, and then in your craft packet you will have these two pieces which we will use to make a lantern, and then you'll have a whole bunch of little pieces on cardstock and construction paper that we will need to cut out. And then once they're all cut out, I will show you how to put it all together. All right, once everything is cut out, then the first thing we're gonna do is take our little metal piece here and our little lantern, and we're gonna puff it up so that it opens, and then you'll be able to see that there are two little notches at the bottom of your metal piece. So these are going to go in at the bottom of your lantern, and they're going to line up with the opening on the bottom. Then at the top, there are two little points like little cat ears, and those will hook onto these small round plastic pieces at the edges of the top of your lantern. And that is how we get our lantern together. Now, once our lantern is put together, we can start assembling the ears and the mouth. So your two tan triangles are the base of the ears, and then we have our two pink triangles that are going to go inside. So we will just glue those to the tan triangles right in the center. So there are our ears. And then for our mouth, we're going to take this larger, slightly darker pink shape, with the almost flat part being the top and the rounded part being the bottom. And then take your brighter and smaller pink piece, and that is going to line up at the bottom on the rounded edge to be the tongue within the mouth. So we'll just glue our brighter piece in. And there we have an open mouth with a little tongue. And then our two small white triangles are going to be his teeth. So we are going to add those at the top edge of the mouth here, kind of towards the outside on each side to make Meowth's little teeth. Once we have his teeth added, then we can start putting things on the lantern. So you want to find the top and then see where you want to put the face. So we're going to have our eyes. I'm going to add those first. And if you have tacky glue, that's going to be the best option for adding the pieces to the lantern, just because it sticks a little better while it's drying, holds it in place better. So I'm going to put the eyes about 1/4 of the way down the lantern, and want to spread them apart a bit, but not too much. But this can be kind of your choice about where you want them to be. But that's where I'm going to put my eyes. Then I think I will do the mouth next. So I will glue the mouth on a little lower, with a little space, about an inch space in between the mouth, the bottom of the eyes and the top of the mouth. Then, woo, he's rolling off on me. Come on. Sit up. There we go. Then I'm going to take his little golden forehead piece and add that kind of in between the eyes, but towards the top, so it kind of sticks up off the top. And then last but certainly not least, we have our ears. So for the ears, I'm going to fold the bottom edge of each triangle back so that we have a base to put the glue on, and then we can stick them on to the lantern. So fold each bottom part of your triangle back, and then you can put some glue across that bottom piece of each ear. And then choose your location for the ears. So I'm going to put mine a little towards the back, not all the way on the back of the lantern, but pretty close. And then once we have all our pieces on, our Meowth lantern is complete. He's very, very cute. I would love to see pictures of your completed Meowth lanterns in the comments if you would like to share them. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye!